Hello everyone, welcome back to Mom and Me Fun Factory. Today we are exploring the delicious and magical world of Christmas food. Are you ready to see the yummiest treats from around the world?
Yes, Mom.
Okay, then let's go. This is a gingerbread cookie.
This is a gingerbread cookie.
This is Christmas pudding.
This is a Christmas pudding.
This is Yule Log Cake.
This is a Yule Log Cake.
This is candy canes.
This is candy cane.
This is roast turkey.
This is roast turkey.
This is snowman cupcakes.
This is snowman cupcake.
This is mince pies.
This is mince pies.
This is fruit cakes.
This is fruit cake.
This is hot chocolate with marshmallows.
This is hot chocolate with marshmallows.
This is reindeer sandwiches.
This is reindeer sandwiches.
Amazing! So, which treat would you like to try first?
Hot chocolate with marshmallows.
Amazing choice. This would be so good for winters. Thanks for watching our Christmas food adventure.
And don't forget to like, share and subscribe so you don't miss our next video. Bye bye friends.
Bye bye. Merry Christmas.